content delivery network is another concept in system design. It can be known as a building block, and the idea is simple: to reduce latency and offload traffic from the origin server. It's a combination of two concepts: edge servers and caching for each. So imagine we have hundreds and thousands of servers across the globe, and then we have different users. Users would send the request to the edge servers instead of the main server, because we have now geographically distributed them to different areas. And now users would find the closest or nearest edge server to them, and then they would forward or ask for the resource that they are looking for to the closest one. This way we can reduce the latency. The question is, how can we have these amount or this number of servers? Actually, we cannot unless you are so rich. The idea is to use the existing content delivery network providers such as Cloudflare or Amazon CloudFront. They have this number of servers across the globe, and you can just configure your website to have those contents. But again, even if we have this number of servers, how can we serve our contents or put our contents in those servers? Well, the idea is that we have the server, an origin server that has all the data that belongs to us, and all those edge servers would know about the origin server. So every time a user requests for something, for instance, they request for a static file like main.js, their request would be forwarded first to the edge server, and it has a cache. If the edge server has the resource, it would serve it from the cache. And if it doesn't, it will forward the request to the origin server. Now we, in the origin server, would serve the file or return the file to the edge server. Edge server would cache it. The edge server would respond to the end users. That is the whole idea of CDN. But another question is, how can we configure the edge server? Because as soon as a user requests for something, their request over the internet would be connected or forwarded to the origin server. How can we put the edge server in between? I will explain a bit, but before that, I would say what kind of contents can we put in the edge server? Basically, every content we can put in the CDN or content delivery network. They are good for serving static assets such as JS files, CSS files, or icons, images. Also, API responses. You can put API response. For example, you have a list of products. Instead of sending all the requests to the main server, you can put it in the CDN for some times. Of course, you can put the expiration time because it's kind of caching. Also, other contents such as video contents, you can put and use CDN. And also, CDN would improve some non-functional requirements of the system, such as performance. Of course, right now we are talking about performance, and also it would reduce the latency. Scalability, because we are offloading this request to the origin server. Security, by preventing DDoS, because now the request would be grabbed by the CDN provider, and they have already implemented mechanisms to prevent DDoS for you. And cost, because now the bandwidth or the required bandwidth to the server would reduce. Now I will explain how it works. So if you own the x.com, let's say, x.com would point to an IP that belongs to your server. It is a public IP, and you configure it in your DNS records. Now if you change the DNS records, so instead of X pointing to your IP, I would point it to a CDN provider like Cloudflare. Then in the Cloudflare, I would say that x.com should point to the IP. It means that two configurations should be done. One is to set the DNS record to the CDN provider, and the second, in the CDN provider, we should point the X or connect the x.com to the origin IP. And now, from now on, every request that will be forwarded to the origin server, they should have some sort of caching headers. And then based on that, Cloudflare decides to whether cache the content or not. And here is a snippet code how you can set a header or cache header in your response. For example, here I'm setting this cache control for this API products. For 60 seconds, I'm setting the cache, and this way, if someone requests for API products, Cloudflare will forward and get the data from the server, and it will cache it. In the next 60 minutes, if someone else requests the same resource, it will be served from the CDN cache. That was it from the CDN. I don't have any hands-on on this section. You can just go and play with the CDN provider like Cloudflare. It's very easy, and you need to have a domain and a server, of course, and do the setup. That's it. See you in the next ones.